Hello folks, it's Rich, we're back straight away. It's taken me a second to tune it. It's out of the box. My clip-on tuner's run out of batteries, as they always do so quickly. The floor tuner I've got is a bit unreliable, unfortunately, so can't really use that. So I've just had to use the phone, which is also my camera, to tune it up. And come on, little amp. Amp today is a Marshall MG F15. Right, so volume, let's turn it up a little bit more for you. Just on a clean channel, neck pickup. Come on, let's have a bit more volume, please. Right, just have all the tone all the way down. Third, 2/3, all the way. That works reasonably well. Volume. The volume's a bit more on or off. Down a little bit and put a pedal on. Just an overdrive the pedal. Right tune again. A little bit of delay. Middle. that one on. Well, all these people that say the Roswell pickups don't sound any good, I'm not too sure that's the case. They sound all right to me. I was just thinking of the classic vibe that I had just recently, tele, which sounded absolutely phenomenal. Don't think this is all that far behind it really. Although this neck feels nothing like a classic vibe neck. It's quite, is it chunky? It's fairly beefy. It's not awful though. It's a bit strange being a 12-inch neck. But yeah, that's just a quick sound check for somebody who can't play guitar with an action that's too high. Is this a keeper? It might be for £218. Just that switch though, what is going on with that? I've got to check some of the reviews and see if it's supposed to be like that. If it is, it'll make me feel happier. Look at that flamey roasted neck. Go and have a look at my unboxing if you haven't already. Just have a look at the guitar a little bit more in detail. I bet this weighs about 3.74 kilos as well. It's quite a chunky monkey. Yeah.